Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Eric from eGatTech. I recently unboxed the Nubia Redmagic 6 Pro as well as the Black Shark 4 Pro. These two phones have two of the fastest charging systems in the market right now. And lucky enough for us, both of these phones come with the 120 watt charger out of the box. So these two phones are now empty. So let's get this quick charging test started, guys. So when I said quick, I expect this to be quick because both of these manufacturers claim that they can go from 0 to 100 in less than 20 minutes. In the case of the Black Shark 4 Pro, Xiaomi is claiming they can do it in 15 minutes, whereas in the Redmagic 6 Pro, they're claiming to do it in 17. So let's put those two claims to the test right now. Okay, so let's plug these two phones in and start the charge test. Alright, so both phones are done charging. As expected, it was a quick test. For my previous battery charge test, I usually spend an hour doing that video, but in this case, I only spent around 27 minutes. So here are the final times for the full charge. So the Black Shark 4 Pro actually did 0 to 100 in 17 minutes and 18 seconds, while the Redmagic 6 Pro actually took around 9 minutes longer and hit 100% at 26 minutes and 45 seconds. So in the case of the Black Shark 4 Pro, Xiaomi is claiming 0 to 100 in 15 minutes, and in the actual battery charge test, it did it in 17 minutes. So it was close enough. But when it comes to the Redmagic 6 Pro, they're actually claiming that it should charge in 17 minutes or anything under 20 minutes. But in reality, my test shows that it took the Redmagic 6 Pro 26 minutes to go from 0 to 100. So that's roughly around 9 minutes from the advertised charging time. But if you take into account all the other phones with quick charging, these two phones beat out the rest. I don't think there's any phone right now that can beat these two phones in charging times. So I'll end this really quick video here, guys. Let me know how long it takes you to usually charge your phone from 0 to 100 and put it up on the comment section down below. But until then, a sub would be massively appreciated. Please like and subscribe and hit that bell icon notification, and see you all in my next one.